Bonus reading for April the 14th to April the 15th. Fire signs. Your cards are the Nine of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. Nag-open na uli yung portal for the both of you to have harmonious connection. Yes, noong mga nakaraang araw, linggo, buwan, last year, medyo challenging ang inyong situation. Pwedeng lagi kayong nag-aaway. Pero napapansin natin dito yung efforts ni person towards harmony na, no? Towards union. Nakikita din natin yung banters of energy, medyo mapayapa. Nakikita natin ang kaayusan. Meron ng mga natutunan si person. It can be from someone else's experience, napanood nila, what have you. One thing is for sure, yung kaayusan ang gusto nila ngayon. Pwedeng bumalik na sila sa'yo, pwedeng mas aayusin nila ang pagtrato sa'yo, pwede rin with the finances, baka kasi ngayon medyo nakakaluwag-luwag na sila, kaya pwede na rin sila mag-share. This is your bonus reading, fire signs, for April the 14th to April the 15th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.